Compressor. Compressor is a mechanical device used to increase the pressure of gases, usually air, reduce its volume. Compressors are classified into two types: positive displacement and dynamic. Positive displacement compressors are again two types: rotary compressors and reciprocating compressors. Rotary compressors are screw type, vane type, scroll type, lobe type, liquid ring type compressors. Reciprocating compressors are single acting, double acting, diaphragm compressors. Dynamic compressors are two types: centrifugal compressors and axial compressors. Positive displacement compressor. This type of compressors that traps a fixed amount of air or gas and then reduce its volume to increase the pressure. Example: positive displacement compressor like a rotary and reciprocating compressors. Piston and cylinder. Air drawn into the chamber. The chamber close and trap the air. Mechanically reduce the volume, increase the discharge pressure. P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. When the volume decreases, pressure increases. When the volume increases, pressure decreases. Example: P1 is equal to 1 bar, V1 is equal to 10 meter cube. After compression, the piston V2 is equal to 2 meter cube. P2 is equal to V1 into V1 divided by V2. 1 into 10 meter cube divided by 2 meter cube. Output pressure increases to 1 bar to 5 bar. Dynamic compressor. Dynamic compressor, also called as a velocity compressors, works by increasing the velocity of air using rotating element, then converting the kinetic energy into pressure energy by rotating blades. Screw type compressors is a positive displacement compressors that uses of two rotating helical screws rotors to compress air continuously. Screw compressors are working. Air enter the inlet filter. Two screws, male and female rotors, rotate in opposite direction. Air gets trapped between the screws threads. As screws rotate, space reduces, air pressure increase and come out at the outlet. Advantages: less vibration, high efficiency, low maintenance. Disadvantages in the screw compressor is high cost and need good lubrication. Loop type compressor. Loop type compressor, also called as a root blower, is a positive displacement compressor that uses of two rotating loops to move the air. By working the loop compressor is air enter from the inlet to filter. Two loops are rotate in opposite direction. Air gets trapped between the loops and casing. Loops carry air from inlet to outlet. Air is pushed out to higher pressure. No compression inside the chamber. Pressure is increased mainly at the outlet. Advantages of a lobe compressor is simple design and low maintenance, smooth operation. Disadvantages of lobe compressor is low efficiency, noise is very high, limited to pressure range. Application: wastewater treatment and pneumatic system, vacuum system. Vane type compressor is a positive displacement compressor that uses a rotor with sliding vanes to compress the air. Air enters into the inlet filter to rotor rotates inside an eccentric casing. Fins are slides and creates a separate air pockets. As the rotor turns, space between the vanes decreases. Air is compressed and discharge the pressure. Advantages of vane compressor is continuously flow, compact and simple design and quiet operation. Disadvantages is vanes are wear, lubrication is required, not suitable for high pressure application. This is used for air tools and automatic AC compressors and refrigeration system. Scroll compressor is a positive displacement compressor that uses two spiral scroll shaped plates to compress the air in refrigerant. How it is working the scroll compressor? One scroll is fixed, other scroll is moves in the orbit, not full rotation. Air enter at the outer side. Air gets trapped between the spiral pockets. As orbit continuously pockets moves inwards, volume reduces, the pressure increases, air is discharged at the center. Advantages of scroll compressor is very quiet operation and less vibration and high efficiency. Fewer moving parts. Disadvantages is very expensive, difficult to repair, not suitable for very large capacity. Applications: air conditioners, refrigerators, and heat pumps used. Liquid ring compressor is a positive displacement compressor that uses a liquid, usually water, to compress the gas or air. A working principle of a liquid compressor is a rotor with blades rotate inside a casing. Liquid is injected from a rotating liquid rings. Rotor is eccentrically off-center. Space between the rotor and the liquid ring creates a gas pockets. As rotor rotates, space increases, suction the air enter, space decreases compression, gas is discharged at higher pressure. Advantages of liquid ring compressor is can handle moisture and dust, low vibration, simple design, safe for explosive gases. Disadvantages is lower efficiency, need continuous liquid supply, maintenance as for liquid system. Applications is vacuum system, chemical industry and power plants. Single acting compressor. Single acting compressor is a reciprocating piston type compressor where compress happens only one side of the piston. Working principle of a single acting compressor is suction stroke, piston moves the downward, inlet valve opens, air enter the cylinder. Compression stroke, piston moves up, inlet valve close, air is compressed and delivery valve opens, air is goes to out. Advantages of single acting compressor is simple construction, low cost and easy maintenance. Disadvantages is less efficient than double acting, pulsating the flow, lower output. Application is small air compressors and workshops, garage equipments. Double acting compressor is a reciprocating piston type compressor where compression happens on both sides of the piston, front and back side. Working principle of the double acting compressor is forward stroke, piston moves right, left side air is compressed and discharged, right side suction air enter. Return stroke, piston moves left, right side air is compressed and discharged, left side suction and air enters. Every stroke produces the compression. Advantages of double acting compressor: high efficiency, more output than double capacity, better performance. Disadvantages is complex design, higher cost, more maintenance. Application is industrial air compressors and gas pipelines, heavy machines used. A diaphragm compressor is also called as a membrane compressor. Is a positive displacement compressor that uses a flexible diaphragm, thin metal or a rubber sheet instead the piston to compress the air. Working principle of diaphragm compressor is a crank mechanism moves back and forth. This motion flexes the diaphragm. When the diaphragm moves down, air I gas enter the suction. When the diaphragm moves up, volume reduce, gas compress. Compressed gas discharge through the outlet valve. Diaphragm compressor advantages is low contamination, oil-free gas, safe for toxic explosive gases, high pressure capability, leak-proof design. Disadvantages is low capacity, expensive, diaphragm need periodic replacement. Application is hydrogen gas compression, oxygen system, chemical. A centrifugal compressor is a dynamic compressor that increases air pressure by converting high speed velocity into the pressure using a centrifugal force. How to working the centrifugal compressor is air enter at the center to high wall compressor. A high speed rotating impeller through a air outward. Air velocity becomes very high. Air enter the diffuser. Velocity decreases. Pressure increase the diffuser. Advantages of the centrifugal compressor is smooth operation, low maintenance, compact or large flow. Disadvantages is lower pressure than reciprocating compressors, efficiency drops, sensitive operation. Applications is power plants, oil gas industry, HVAC systems. Axial compressors. An axial compressor is a type of compressors where air flow parallel straight to the shaft and gets compressed by stage. Used in aircraft engines, gas engines and power plants. Working principle is air enter from the front. Rotor blades moving increase the air velocity. Stator blades fixed convert velocity into pressure. Process repeat in multiple stages. Final output high pressure air simple velocity. Advantages of the axial compressors is high efficiency, continuous airflow, suitable for a large volume air. Disadvantages is complex design, expensive more. This is used in aircraft